On the windiest day of the year. Check out the difference this has made. Welcome back to Wegs Garage. So we're in the middle of rebuilding our Stromberg CD175 carburetors here. And one of the things we wanted to do with this carburetor rebuild is really shine these parts up and get them looking nice so it looks good in the engine bay. The best way to clean these old carb bodies is with a process called soda blasting, which is kind of like sandblasting except for it uses baking soda. Of course, soda blasting machine is pretty expensive, so we're going to try something today with about $10 worth of parts from a hardware store. We're going to make our own DIY soda blasting gun and get these carb bodies cleaned up. Stay tuned. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need one of these little blow guns. I got this one at Menards for about $3, and you need the kind with the little steel tube on the end there. You also need some 7/16 PVC tubing. Probably doesn't make a huge difference, the diameter, but 7/16 looks like that's going to work the best. Finally need some baking soda, just good old-fashioned baking soda. You can also buy soda blasting media like Harbor Freight, but that works just fine as well. And then, of course, you'll need a compressed air source and some hoses for that stuff. So let's put this together. All right, so what you want to do is get about a 2-foot section of your tubing. Then about 2 inches from the end, just cut a little slit. Carefully. And then take the end of your blow gun and get that shoved in there. Like so. And you want to shove that in about 1/2 inch past the slit you made. And then we'll just secure the tubing to the blow gun with a little bit of tape. Alright, so even though the soda blasting process is actually not terribly harmful for you, it does create quite a bit of dust, so you'll probably want to do it outside. So we're out here on this fancy garbage can on the windiest day of the year that we could find. There it is. So here we go. Out the difference this has made. I put the one we blasted up against the second carburetor on our car that hasn't been cleaned, and just look at the difference. This one looks like practically new. Yeah, it's awesome. It blasts all the dirt out of every little nook and cranny. Works really well, so highly recommend the DIY soda blaster. So downsides, well, of course, it is very dusty, so make sure you aren't wearing your Sunday best clothes or anything like that. But other than that, one of the great things about baking soda is now all the media that's left on here, we can just dissolve in some soapy water, and we don't have to worry about it clogging any of the passageways or in the carburetors or anything like that. So that'll probably be the next step. And just for kind of reference, we used about 1.5 pounds of baking soda to do these 3 parts of this carb body. So just so you can plan ahead a little bit if you're planning on doing this yourself. So anyway, that's our video for today. Hope you enjoyed the DIY soda blaster. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.